Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to hide message button on Facebook page. Firstly, go launch the application and then go on the three dots icon on your right upper side. Then go up and get up to the all shortcuts and go choose the page site. Click on pages and go for a page that you want to go and hide the message button. For example, we'll go with this one. Now what I need to do is just simply go on my right upper side by clicking on the settings bar, and then I need to go for the first section, general. Now I need to wait for uploading to the main point. As you can see on the second one, you have Messenger and it says allow people to contact my page privately in Messenger. Now with this, if it's on, that means that you have a message button on your Facebook page. But if we go with off, it will automatically hide the message button on your Facebook page. Now get back and just take a refresh. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.